Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we want to look at exercise test 4F of series steps to quantitative reasoning. And we were given this exercise. They said 2 divided by 10, and divide 7. But they've given us what it implies. It means 10 divided by 2, close bracket, multiply 7. So it is this interpretation of this expression that we are going to take into our exercise and nothing more. Now, so we are going to say 20 divides 4 multiply by 19. So 20 divided by 4, that gives us 5. 5 multiplied by 19, that gives us 95. So our answer here is B. So for the next one, we have 72 divided by 4 and then multiply by 2. So divided by 4, 4. So 72 divided by 4, that gives us 18. 18 multiplied by 2, that gives us 36. So for the next one, they said what is this unknown? Remember, this is x divides, this is 49, divides by x multiplied by 11. They said it gives us 77. So let us rewrite this expression such that this becomes 49 divided by x multiply by 11, so equals 77. So if we multiply 49 multiplied by 11, that gives me 539 divides x equals 77. So if we cross multiply, this is 77x equals 539. So x equals 539 divides by 77. And when I did the division, my final answer is P, which is 7. So equals 7. And to the next one, we have 13 star divided by 2 equals. So we are going to rewrite this expression to meet the initial requirement. Let us say this is x divided by 13 multiplied by 2 equals 18. So let me rub this off so that we can have space to work with. So let us write x divided by 13 multiplied by 2 equals 18. So if we multiply this gives us 2x divided by 13 equals 18. When we cross multiply, that is 2x equals 18 multiplied by 13. So 18 multiplied by 13, that gives me 234. 2x equals 234. So x equals 234 divided by 2. X equals 234 divided by 2, and that gives me 117. 117. So our answer here is A, 117. And to the last but not the least, we have 210 divided by 3 multiplied by 0.7. Let me rub this part off. So you can then say 210 divided by 3 multiplied by 0.7. So this is 210 divided by 3 multiplied by 7 divided by 10. So let us divide. So 3 here, 1, and 3 into 10, that is 70, multiplied by 7 over 10. 10 here, 1, 10 is 70, that is 7. So it is 7 multiplied by 7, and that gives us 49. So our answer here is B. So that is the solution to this particular exercise. So till I come your way next time, please remember subscribe to this channel and please be good. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section and we'll attend to it. Thank you very much.